Welcome. Well, this one was quite an interesting day. And the problem is that my daily bias was wrong almost for the whole day. I mean, I was always trying to go short. I tried to take all the possible opportunities to go short. And the London session was, well, it was pretty much started to do the push up to make some new highs. And if you look at the 5-minute candles here in the London kill zone, you can see that it's a little bit like congested into one area. So no real displacements so far after the London Open. It was pretty much just going sideways, not to mention the 1-minute chart, but still, I think I had some good trades, like one or two scalps, but the problem is that I gave back the profits with those scalps, which I made on one trade on the stream. And then came the New York session, and I made a stupid mistake by going short immediately after the market open. I was holding a short position to go down to 915, but anyway, it just started to pump higher. The good news is that today managed to secure another, not secure, the My Funded Futures account, which yesterday made it to the payout level. Today I requested the payout, and $1,200 again from My Funded Futures. I'm very glad about it. So this is the highlight of the day. $1,200 paid out today. And actually we requested the payout live on stream at the market open. It took 4 minutes for My Funded Futures to approve the payout. This time though, the payout reached my Rise account in about an hour, a little bit more than an hour. It's all right, it's perfect. The previous payout was 9 minutes overall, but doesn't really matter. It's all good. My Funded Futures pays fast, and that's one of the reasons I really like to work with them. By the way, I'm just saying there's a 20% discount on the starter plus 50k accounts if you use my code. But if you're looking for other discounts on the other accounts, you might as well try it, because I think for the first customers, if you're a brand new customer, you might still have a 40% discount as well. Anyway, I was glad. So the money has arrived very fast. And I also managed to do a little bit of a profit on the account that yesterday went down to the daily loss limit. So overall, I made somewhere between $100 to $200 today across all the funded accounts. Basically a break-even day. And I just didn't like the price action. I didn't like the price action, but it's in the cards, right? So let's just go real quick. The Bulenox accounts, which are brand new, are down about $10 each. $14 here, $15 here, and this one is 10. So technically around break even. The milestone account today, I only managed to make $57, so basically nothing special happened. This account is the one that I requested the payout from. The balance deduction was technically instant, so that was very fast. No trade on that account today. And this one I made $155. I tried to save this account. I told you guys I do my best to say. This account suffered 2 daily losses, actually 3 daily losses already, and I always manage to bring it back. But the Apex accounts, this one only made how much? $41. Great, $41 in profit. The other one is down $7, and this one is $4. Great. Okay, I requested the payout from this one, $740. Not sure if I'm gonna get approved, but hey, It's gonna be a surprise if I will. So technically that's it. Interesting day, but survived with a break even overall. I'm happy about it. Looking forward for tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna put this number here, the current funded accounts and how much money I paid for them. I'm in net profit for 2025 right now, $832. Obviously, this is not the final number. I'm gonna let you guys know the exact numbers because I've spent some money on Bulenox evaluations and Apex resets. So this year, maybe I'm slightly in the positive. I think it's a very good thing to journal how much money we spend on funded accounts, activation fees, how much payout do we get from each. So hopefully this number is going to grow over the year. But hey, we have to start somewhere. Anyway, thank you so much. See you guys on the streams.